Okay, so now we got the cash flow automatically calculated. The cash flow is NOI, that's the net operating income, which is pretty much your GOI minus your total expenses. That's why I highlighted the stuff in yellow.
What does it come to?
So, we're about to see. So we got the mortgage pay. This is the pink. The pink, I color coded to mean certain stuff. Pink means debt service. So when you're using debt service, it can vary. I got mortgage, I got seller financing. JP financing can be me lending money to the entity. It can also mean business credit card payment. It could be if I partner with you guys and you brought money to the table. It could be or as a loan and you're a private lender. So that's what the pink is debt service. So the cash flow for the year is $5,661. Monthly cash flow, $472. Cash on cash return is 31%. And that's pretty high. I normally aim for 15%. Anything above 15% is great. So this is 30%, which basically means the money I bring to the table, I could potentially make that money back in 3 years.
How much did you say you bought?
Well, we're about to see now. So the purchase price is $205,000. The down payment, let's say, is 20%, right? Or it says 10% since we use seller financing. And I did minus $2,000 because you have earnest money deposit. Estimated closing costs, I'm not sure. I'm just going to overestimate for $10,000.
So how do you calculate 31%?
Oh, I was dropping because I'm adding more stuff in it now. So I'm adding closing costs. Soft costs are over here. Soft costs are costs incurred before you close. Mm-hmm. So attorney fees, that's how much it costs for me to incorporate entity. Earnest money deposit, $2,000. Property inspection. Can you multiply 165 times 6?
990.
So I know my property inspector charges me $165 per unit to inspect it in the 6 units. Title work, let's see, that's nothing. Appraisal, if you do like 125 times 6.
750.
So 750. Traveling costs, it shouldn't take me 1,200, probably 600. It did on a 9. I used this for the same 9 unit. So it was more because me and another guy had to travel to Pittsburgh in October. So this is, in November. So this is 5,015 soft costs. So soft costs, I'm going to put it here, 5015. So these are costs incurred prior to closing.
And soft costs initially come out of your pocket as a GP.
Yeah, but I have them reimburse me. So that's why I say here, cost split amongst 3 limited partners, reimbursed to me by September 29th. Just click pay it over here. So I gave all this instructions like ahead of time.
Okay.
That's what you want to do with your partners. So it's like a no-brainer. Everything's transparent, and you keep track of it all here.
You got 2 minutes.
Okay. All right. So we got the total costs, cash and cash. So it looks like I need about $33,000 to do this deal. At a 10 cap valuation, which is in the C area, I normally do 10 cap. The property sheet. This is how you can tell if you're buying a property with built-in equity. What you do is you take the NOI and divide it by 0.10. That's what 10 cap means. See here. NOI is B29 divided by 0.10. So that's how you know if you're buying a property with built-in equity, just doing the math. That's why I preference doing multifamily. Outside of using seller financing and blah, 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 it's really based on math. That's how they determine the valuation. I mean, of course, location matters. Of course, square footage. If you got marble countertops, all that stuff matters, obviously. But with multifamily,
that's the cap rate, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how you do? Which one was that?
Right here. You take the NOI
and
you divide by 0.10, which is 10 cap. That's what 10 cap means.
And then what did it come out to?
Right here.
I thought the cap rate was a percentage.
Yeah, it is 0.10.
Oh, 0.10.
Just like 9 cap is 0.09.
Oh, okay, 9 cap, 10 cap.
Yeah, so 8. That means you take the NOI and you divide it by 0.09, 0.08.
Okay.
But you see, at a 9 cap, it'll be worth more.
So is the cap rate equal to NOI of what?
The value. It's an inverse relationship. It's just the laws substitution, algebra. What he's talking about. All right, so with this deal, we have here the cash and cash return is 17%. My question to you guys, do we do this deal?
I can't see, what's the number say? What is it, what are you looking at to see if you do deal? If you're gonna-
Great question. So what I look at to do a deal is, number one, does the cash flow at least $100 per unit? Number two, am I able to get this 100% finance or close to it? And number three, is there a way that I can improve value? Either I'm buying it with built-in equity, either I can force depreciation by increasing the rents, adding coin laundry, or we're in a natural appreciating market. So based upon those three questions, three criteria. Cash flow at least $100 per door.
So that's not
like over 1,000 a door.
No, the cash flow is on board. The cash flow is on, what was the cash flow?
472,
Yeah, it's not 100 per door.
and it's 6 units.
Okay, what's the next criteria?
So,
Cash
the cash and cash return.
that checks off.
I say get a 100% finance, but if I'm using my own cash, at least a 15%.
So right now, you would put in 33K and get 17%.
Correct.
What's the next criteria?
Is there ways to improve value? Whether I'm buying it with built-in equity, which this case is yes. It's in a positive appreciated market, which in this case is yes. And it's a way I can improve the value. And we just said, one way we can improve it is coin laundry. But I don't know if it's under rented. If it's under rented, that's another way we can improve the value.
And what's the last one?
If we can control the expenses, like I said with the tanning salon, we're actually, put not space, electric baseboards to control. You get what I'm saying? All that stuff improves value because it's less expenses I have to pay.